The CBI team has taken Peter Mukerjea as well as his son to New Delhi. Now the focus shifting to capital when it comes to the probe into the financial angle as well. Bhavtosh joining us from Delhi. Bhavtosh, he's likely to land in a few minutes from now. And of course, tomorrow is when further questioning regarding some of the property deals will be conducted.
Yes, Tanvi, in fact, at around quarter to midnight, Peter Mukerjea will be arriving here in Delhi and will straight away be taken to the CBI headquarters, where officers of the rank of Joint Director will question him for the first time. So far, the questioning was being carried out by an officer of the rank of DIG and by an SP. Because of the financial transaction that has been exposed by Times Now, it could be possible that he will be questioned on those lines. He owns two properties in Delhi. One is in South Extension and the other one is in Vasant Kunj. Indrani, in her confessional statement, has said that she wanted to give one of the flats, which is in Vasant Kunj, to Sheena Bora, but later retracted from this promise when she realized that Sheena is getting very close to Rahul.
Absolutely. It's one of those deals that is mentioned in detail, even in the chart sheet, Megan. I'm going to come to you on that. When they talk about the entire property tussle, there was this sale in Delhi that Sheena Bora was also looking at, because we understand she wanted to use those proceeds to buy further property in Mumbai, and that became a point of contention in the family.
Yes, that's absolutely correct, and that's been mentioned, of course, in the papers that has been submitted. The charge sheet has been submitted to the court. It has been clearly mentioned that there was a certain property that came into dispute, and yes, Sheena was looking for that money. She wanted to buy a house here in the suburbs of Mumbai. But at this point in time, what we can sort of confirm to you, this after a confirmation that we have got from the CBI team that was here in Mumbai, that actually eventually then flew to Delhi along with Rahul and Peter. It's both of them who've flown to Delhi, expected to arrive any time now. But what we have heard from here and what we've learned from that team is that it is not to take him, it's not for any sort of identification of a property or for any papers checking or to take him to any spots in Delhi or perhaps to fly him out of Delhi to any other place. It's not for that. The purpose really to take Peter from here to Delhi is clear and simple. It's the team of officers that's been dealing or investigating this particular case. The entire set of officers, they're all based out of Delhi. The senior ones are in Delhi. They're still in Delhi. So it so happened that all of these days that Peter was in the custody, he did not cooperate. He did not speak much. He did not reveal much, which is of course one of the cases made out today in the remand copy, saying that he's not been talking and that they need more time. CBI needs more time with him. And it seems that today, after the court really did not take all of this contentions that were being forwarded by the CBI very kindly, the court was slightly harsh on the CBI because they wanted direct answers to direct questions, and CBI did not have much, and they did not even have much of a ground when it came to asking for Peter's further custody. It has now sort of it has been revealed by this team that now the senior officers want to sort of get into the probe at this stage.
Right.
They want to handle things themselves, and that is one reason why Peter has been flown to Delhi, because the officers at the level of the Joint Director and the DIG, all of them are there in Delhi, and they will be handling the probe themselves directly. Now, what we've been given to understand is that since Peter has not been talking, it's time that some pressure is built upon him to sort of speak up before the investigative agencies, because any which ways they do not have much in terms of wanting to seek his ground even one more time.